Now let's talk about the Fit's exterior. The Honda Fit, with its compact and efficient design, is a car that stands out in its own unique way. It's not about being flashy or aggressive, it's about being practical and stylish in a subtle manner. It's not flashy or aggressive. The Fit's design philosophy is centered around simplicity and functionality, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate understated elegance. Instead, it embraces a friendly, approachable design. This car is designed to be welcoming, with a look that invites you to take it for a drive. The rounded edges and smooth curves give it a friendly demeanor that is hard to resist. The lines are clean, the proportions are balanced, and the overall look is one of modern simplicity. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered to create a harmonious and cohesive design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. But don't let the compact size fool you. While it may look small on the outside, the Honda Fit is designed to maximize every inch of space. It's perfect for navigating through tight city streets and fitting into small parking spaces. The Fit is a master of interior space. Step inside and you'll be amazed at how much room there is. The designers have used innovative techniques to create a cabin that feels open and airy. Honda's engineers have worked magic, creating a cabin that feels remarkably roomy, even for taller passengers. The high roofline and clever use of space ensure that everyone can travel in comfort, no matter their height. The secret lies in the Fit's ingenious magic seat system. This innovative feature allows you to configure the interior in multiple ways to suit your needs. These rear seats fold flat, flip up, or even tumble forward, providing you with a versatile and adaptable space. Whether you need to carry large items or just want more legroom, the magic seat system has you covered, creating a variety of cargo configurations. You can easily switch between different setups to accommodate anything from groceries to sports equipment. You can fit your bicycle, your camping gear, or any other bulky items with ease. The Honda Fit's interior is designed to be as flexible as your lifestyle, or even a small armchair in this car. The possibilities are endless with the Honda Fit. It's a car that adapts to your needs, offering a perfect blend of practicality and style. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or just running errands around town, the Honda Fit is ready to take on the challenge.